Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with some happy mail. Yay for happy mail. I received some happy mail from a subscriber. Her name is Cathy Short. Hi Cathy, thank you so much for thinking of me. I was not expecting this, so I don't even know what she sent, but I'm gonna go ahead and open this on camera and share with you guys. And thank you so much. She wrapped it in this really pretty purple wrapping with this gold. That's really, really pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me start with the card. It says, "You've got style." Oh, that is so, so pretty. Oh, look at those little tiny hearts. Oh, I love this card. And she even used my favorite colors. So, so thoughtful. Let me just open it up real quick. Okay, it says, "Hi Erica, sending some happy goodies your way. I know you were looking for the stylus and grabbed one for you. If you found them, feel free to pass it along. Thank you for being such a fabulous crafty inspiration. Crafty hugs, Cathy." Oh, thank you so much. And there's her information. She is Cathy S1103 on Instagram and on YouTube, Cathy S. Oh my gosh, thank you, Cathy. No, I never found the stylus. So yeah, never found them. So yay, I'm so excited. Thank you so much. That is so sweet. Look at how she wrapped it. Oh, thank you so much, Cathy. Oh my goodness. So she sent me even some seam binding. Oh, these are pretty. I love seam binding, and sometimes I have the hardest time finding a place to purchase seam binding. So thank you for sending me these. These are gorgeous. Love the colors. And then she sent these super cute little gemstones. Look at that owl. How adorable. I can use him on Halloween. And then, oh, this fox. Oh, he is adorable. I never picked him up. I don't even know if I've seen this fox in my Hobby Lobby. Extra, extra cute. So thank you so much for that. And then here's the stylus. Yes, it has 3. It's an embossing stylus. You guys, if you've been watching my channel and my Tuesday morning hauls, I had been trying to find this and I just never was able to find it. My store never carried it, never picked it up. So thank you so much. I truly appreciate this. Yay! All right, you guys, I'll leave her information down below. Thank you so much, Cathy, for thinking of me. And yeah, thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for supporting my channel. I truly appreciate you guys. I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye for now.